Okay, so I'm going to go over how to download the data and then kind of mess with it and get it onto online so that we can have a working document eventually. Although right now we don't have our zones available, so we'll check it out, I guess. Okay, so here is our stuff. The CAD files are all right here on this link, so open that link. The ones you want are base map, right now at least. Hold on. Landscape, path of travel, and turf. So, landscape, path of travel, turf. Okay, so once you download those, they'll be in your folder or in your directory. So then you open ArcMap or ArcGIS. Wait for it to start. I create a new map or a new project, I guess. When you create this project, you're basically creating the folder that we're going to use for our project. So I just named it like Esri map, base map project. My initials, you can name it whatever you want. That's what I named it. Okay, blank map. So now that's what it's called. So then when you go into your files, go to your downloads that you just downloaded, have all these things, copy them, find the project that you have. Mine, yeah, see, so mine's in documents, ArcGIS projects, but yours is probably different. So here's the one I just made, Esri base map project, my initials. And I just pasted them in here, basically just the files. And that should be it for that. So then you go over here to folders. Here's our project. And here's all the stuff. Turf. Path of travel is kind of just like paths, landscape areas, and base map. The main one we use for now, I guess, is probably base map. So I added it to my map. I know our first project that we're supposed to be doing is our agenda. So sidewalks, right? So let's work on sidewalks first. So that's going to be in Polyline, I believe. Sidewalk. I just zoom to the layers so you can see it. It's got some other stuff selected. I'll just unselect it so it's not confusing. So we're not confusing us. Okay. We should have something else. So you can see. Okay, so now we have sidewalks. So this is the point where we would basically divide up our sections into our districts. So for now, I'm just going to do this. Pretend I have a district. It's in this north perimeter area. I'll just select it here. I'm using the polygon feature so I can draw the area I want to select. So then I go Okay, I switch it back to rectangle because I don't want the street. It's not in my district. I hold down control, can undo this. So that's more or less my area. Maybe not this one. I don't know. Okay, so then this is your area. This is the one you're going to be editing if you're in District 7 for sidewalks. So then you go over here to your contents, and you create your own like layer. So you go right click, data, export. You're exporting the sidewalk and you're putting it in the project folder that I just made for this. I'm going to name it something like sidewalk district 7, my last name, my initials. So sidewalk, my district is district 7 and Landon Lujan. Okay. So now it's creating this feature class for me. Should be somewhere, here it is. So if I undo this, let's see. Undo this. Here it is, right? So you can see I selected it, clear it, goes away, but there is the area I selected. Cool. So now this is the one you're going to be editing until you're done or whatever. So I figured I'd also try and show you guys how to share it onto our group online so that you can continually edit it. And whatever edits you're making will upload automatically to online. So they're like real-time edits. And you're not just having to upload and download and upload and download whenever time you edit. So I was going to go sharing, share as web layer, I believe, if I remember correctly. So sidewalk edits for district 7 done by, and then our tag is like 21 or something. You want your layer type as a feature so that you can edit it as a feature class. Share with probably poly. Check it, analyze it to make sure you don't have any mistakes or something. Probably do that every time you make an edit so there's nothing wrong. And then you publish it. So then when you publish it, it gets published online. Here it goes. Might take a while. Also make sure you're signed into your web account on the right-hand corner. That way you can actually, can't do this if you're not logged in, so make sure you're logged in first. Probably should have said that earlier, but okay, takes a while. Skip ahead if you're bored. Okay, now it's finally uploaded, successfully published. So uncheck that, so now I have nothing. So now I go to catalog, portal, my groups. So here I just uploaded it. Here it is, the one I just made. You can probably search it through, I think organization is Cal Poly, so these are all Cal Poly things, although I'm not 100% sure. Yeah, just search it if you can't find it. And then boom, drag it on. Every time you want to edit it, just drag it on here. And it's the same thing, except it's I'm pretty sure it's online. But yeah, it should be compatible online. So every time you edit it, I think it was this one. Every time you edit it, the edits will continually update online so that we can compile them later on. And that's it.